it's me, Joy /Fairy Liquid from the magical land of JingJangJooJong, hoping to entertain you to entertain kids. Today I am dressed in my royal regalia, the Union Jack, slightly off the shoulder. I am making the Queen's crown because it's her platinum jubilee. Woo! We've even got extra special bank holidays for this one. So I've picked out some special colours to do it and thought I'd just share it here. I'm going to make a sceptre too to make the look complete for this very special jubilee weekend coming up. So I have got 2 silver 260s and a white 160 and a purple round balloon. I'm going to blow up the white one all the way to the end, or pretty much all the way to the end. Let a little bit of tiny bit of air out because we are going to have to twist it a few times, squidge it. Well, yeah, look, I've pretty much blown it all the way to the end because first thing to do is just measure my head. And then I'm going to cross them over like that, squash, twist, up and through, out the other side. And then we're going to take this, push it together to find our halfway, hold and pinch and turn. Oh, I've not quite done it level. Can you see that? It's just off centre. That annoys me. So I'm just going to unwind that, get it centre. That's a bit better. And then we bring this one over here. I'm going to make a bubble about the same size as the other one to lock into there to make our simple hat. And just double check it fits. It fits absolutely fine, not too tight. And I'm going to now find the halfway mark here. I'm going to pinch and rotate one of the sides, and that's going to give us a little anchoring point for everything else. Right, so this is my very first one, and now I'm going to blow up 2 260 silvers and hope they don't pop because they're metallic. It's very slightly unreliable. Top tip, if you're doing it in hot weather, don't fully inflate them because they do expand. Right, give it a little squidge, tie that. I'm going to push the air all the way down. These are a lot firmer. Just going to push it all the way down so I've got no nozzle at the end. Right, that's better. And I'm going to take one end just very quickly, tie it round one balloon. You can also do, if you want it to be absolutely symmetrical, you can do a little bubble instead of tying it with the knot, but I have tied it. Okay, and then I'm going to find the halfway mark. So just hold that side by side like that, pull it down using my hand, find the halfway mark, hold, pinch and rotate like that. And I'm just going to lock that bit in with that bit. Just pass it through. And there we are. Now it's positioned nicely in there. And I'm going to take a small bubble of the silver. I'm going to twist to join on to this end, so that's symmetrical. Right, and now I'm going to do exactly the same thing with another silver, but I'm going to do it perpendicular. Okay, so that means I've got to find the halfway mark on the bit that goes round the head. So I'm going to pinch and rotate one bit there. I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'll just put this on my head just for a second while I'm blowing up the silver one. Ah! Try again. Oh, it's annoying now. Second time you blow up a balloon, it's never quite perfect, but that's okay because it's just for this video. Right, it's going to push all the air all the way to the end. I've got my balloon and I'm going to, while I'm at it, I'm going to find the halfway mark now. As I've got it in my hand, and I might as well, in that case, just start right in the middle and just push that underneath. I think I'm going to wrap it round like that just to lock it in place. And now I can add the ends. And I'm going to bring my final end back down here, so to make a little bubble. Right, so we're nearly there with our crown, and all you need to do is attach our purple balloon, which, to be honest, it should be in here. But the problem is, if we put it there, we can't fit it on the head. So it has to go on top. So I'm just twisting that around a couple of times. And we are finished with our enormous crown. It looks so much bigger than it actually is, but it is quite big. It is quite big. It is a showstopper, and we can put that on there. There we are. I should definitely be wearing this on Jubilee. God bless you, peasants. Let's see if we can top it off with anything else.